Hi guys, welcome back to DivineTimesTwo. It's that time of year again, Thanksgiving. And today I would like to share with you a wonderful recipe. It's a Thanksgiving stuffing bread. It's delicious, aromatic, and it's easy to make. So continue watching so you can see how I make this wonderful, delicious Thanksgiving stuffing bread. Before I start making this recipe, I want to share the ingredients with you. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons instant yeast, 2 teaspoons poultry seasoning, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 1/3 cup potato flakes, 2 tablespoons non-fat dry milk, and 1 1/4 cups water, which is 10 ounces. Okay, after you mix all of this up, that you let it rise for 45 minutes, you can preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So by the time the bread finishes rising, your oven is hot enough in order for it to go in and bake. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing, I have the water in here. I am going to put sugar and yeast, sprinkle it in there. Also, you do want to make sure that the water is from 110 degrees to 115. If it's more than that, it's going to kill the yeast. Okay. Now I am going to add sunflower oil, my dry milk, potato flakes, and the poultry seasoning. The poultry seasoning that I am using is, let me show you, it's the Bell's All Natural seasoning. Okay, the potato flakes and the seasoning. Okay. Like to just stir this around before I add the flour and the salt. It smells so good. It smells good already. Okay, my flour and my salt. Just like to get my mini whisk and whisk that salt in the flour. Okay, add the dough hook. And you can also do this by hand if you don't have a mixer, and begin mixing it. Okay, I see right now that it's very dry. So what I like to do is get warm water, remember 110 to 115 degrees. Just add a little bit of water. That's it. Turn the machine on again. Okay, stir again. Let's see. Add some more water. Remember, a little water at a time. If not, it gets too sticky. You don't want that. Okay, right now it's pulling away from the bowl, so that's a good sign. At this point, I'm not adding any more water because there is no dough sticking to the bowl. So at this time, you want to put your timer on for 5 minutes. Okay, start. Okay. And then when it stops, you come back, turn off the machine. Okay, there goes my timer. Now, let's look at this dough. Clean bowl. Excellent. Okay, move it over. Got the wrong thing. Okay, here I have a bowl with some sunflower oil. So nice. It feels so good. It's warm. It smells delicious. Okay, you want to put this in the bowl. Cover it with the oil. And the bowl also with the oil. Okay. Now, instead of covering it with saran wrap, I am going to cover it up with a cover up. Okay. I get these at Dollar Tree. So I cover this up with a cover up. Broke a little bit, but that's okay. I have reused these. Just wash it a little bit, clean it up, and then you could reuse it. Now I'm going to put this in my microwave with the light on, the light on the bottom on, and leave it there for 45 minutes or until it doubled in size. Okay. So not that the microwave is going to be on, just put the light on the bottom so it can be in a warm area, away from drafts. And the microwave, I think it's the best way, and it always works. Okay, so once it's risen, I'll show you what that looks like. All right, my oven is preheating on 350 degrees. I am making 2 of these Thanksgiving stuffing breads, so that's why it's in the bowl where I mixed the dough. Smells wonderful. Okay. Take it out of here. And you're going to put this like into a loaf. This is my 5x9 loaf pan. This is where I'm going to put it. I did spray some coconut oil in it. I'll just do this. And you know what? This stuffing bread is wonderful. Not only can you use it for stuffing, you can also use it like for sandwiches. You can use it for sandwiches. And it's delicious. You don't have to only use it for stuffing. You can use it, you can leave it the way it is, slice it up, make it into a sandwich with your leftover turkey, some cranberry sauce, even stuffing and gravy. Okay. Now you're going to let this rise for 45 minutes. This dough was rising, it rose for an hour in the microwave. Okay. All right, so leave it like that for 45 minutes and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. All right, 45 minutes have passed. Now I'm going to take off the cover up nice and slowly. You do not want to deflate your dough. Okay, that was a feat. Okay, there it goes, look at that. Okay, this is about, it should rise about an inch above, should crown an inch above. Okay, now I'm going to put it on this pan. Okay, and bake it for 35 minutes and until it's golden brown. 35 minutes at 350 degrees. When it's baked, I will bring you back so that you could see the results. Okay, well, the bread is out. I want you to hear this. That's telling you that it's done. Okay, I'm going to turn this Thanksgiving stuffing bread over. Smells wonderful. I have another one here. Okay, let's see. Very nice. Okay. There you go. Look at this beautiful stuffing bread. You guys need to make this. You need to make it. It smells so good. The aroma in the house is absolutely wonderful. It smells so delicious and it just envelops you with Thanksgiving. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as I enjoyed making it for you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love you. Bye.